When your cyclone piping needs constant maintenance and replacing, it's a real headache and the downtime quickly adds up. It's a common problem at lots of sites, but there are some easy ways to fix it and get more wear life. This is the second of 3 videos where we're going to show you what causes the problems in cyclone overflow piping and how other sites are fixing them. Watch to the end for 2 easy changes you can make to get up to 9 times better wear life in your cyclone overflow piping. Cyclone overflow piping is what carries the finer ore slurry away from the cyclone. The odd thing about overflow slurry is that although it's generally less abrasive, the piping is actually more prone to wear. Why is that? There are 2 reasons. Firstly, tight geometry. The bend radius on the overflow piping is usually very tight. Take a look at this HDPE overflow as an example. The tight bends become localised wear points when the slurry hits them at high speed. In most plants, the highest wearing point is the outlet flange because of how turbulent the slurry is when it exits the cyclone. The second reason is poor piping selection. HDPE and rubber-lined steel are used far too often in cyclone overflows. These older lining types are completely unsuitable for overflow piping because they wear quickly in turbulent and abrasive conditions. So what are the 2 fixes you can make to prevent this kind of wear? Firstly, address the impact absorption and wear problems. Replace your rigid piping with a flexible mining hose. A ceramic line mining hose works really well in cyclone overflows. In fact, we recently changed a mine's overflow piping from HDPE to ceramic line mining hose and they got 9 times longer wear life. The second fix is to redesign your bends. Avoid sharp bends and design with a smooth curve instead, like our customer did here. Lots of sites we work with have made these changes and extended their overflow wear life by 3 to 9 times. So if you're seeing the same issues, it might be time to consider doing this in your plant.